Hey guys, welcome back to Bohemian by Emma. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do 3 basic macrame knots, and I will go over them in detail so that you can see just how to do them. So to start off, you will take your pieces of macrame cord or string that you have already cut, and you will fold these pieces in half. So you will take the 2 ends and fold it in half. And you will see that a loop is created by doing so. And so you will take this loop, you will put it in front of your dowel, and then over and behind so that the loop now hangs behind your dowel. Now through this loop, you will pull the 2 ends of your string, and then by doing so, you will have created your lark's head knot, which you will now tighten by pulling your 2 ends. And that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to show you again one more time. You're going to take your piece of cord that you have cut, and you will take the 2 ends and you will fold it in half, like so. And once you have done that, again, you will have a loop at the top, and you will take this loop and you will hold it in front of your dowel, and then over and behind so that the loop hangs behind, and then through this loop you will pull the 2 ends of your string, and then you can just tighten it by pulling down on the 2 strings in the center. And so we're going to do 2 more of these just so you can see, and so we can have some cords up there for the other knots that I'm about to show you. The next 2 knots that we will be showing you are the square knot as well as the double half hitch knot, and all of these knots can be used in a variety of ways and combinations, and you can use these to design your macrame projects and make really beautiful creations. So it's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So this is our last lark's head knot. Again, you're going to have that loop and you're going to pull the last 2 ends through it and then tighten it. So the next knot again that I'm going to be showing you today will be the square knot. And so for the square knot, you're going to be using 4 strands of your macrame cord. So up here we have 8 strands total, which is 4 pairs of string. And you're going to take the 4 strands right here. You're going to take the rightmost strands and the leftmost strands, which are on the outsides, and you're going to take the right one first and make a backwards 4. And then you're going to let the left strand fall over the top. And then you will take the left strand, which is over the top, and pull it under and behind, and then through that loop you have created. So one more time, just so you can see it a little better, you're going to make a backwards 4 with the right, let the left fall over, and then take the left strand and put it behind those remaining 2 and through the 4 that you have created. And then you can just tighten that. And that is half of your square knot. So to make a whole square knot, you're going to have to do the same on the opposite side. So you will take your left strand and make a 4. Then take the right strand and let that fall over the top of your left strands. And then you will pull it behind and through the 4. And then you will tighten it. And that's your square knot. And again, there are many variations to this as well, but this is the basic knot. So to show you one more time, we're going to take the right string and you're going to make a backwards 4. The left one comes over, behind, and through that 4. And then you will tighten the strands. And then for the second half of that knot, the left one will make a 4, the right strand will fall over that strand, and we'll go behind those remaining 2 in the middle and through the 4. And then you will tighten these strands, and there's your second square knot. So I'm just going to undo these real quick so that we can have our strands open for our last knot that I will be showing you, which will be the double half hitch knot, which again can be used in a variety of ways. You can do a straight across line or a V. So what you will do is you will have your first strand on the left, because we're going to be going left to right. And you will take that left strand, the first one on the left, and this will be our filler cord, which we will be knotting around. And so it will go across like so as you knot and as you form the line of double half hitch knots, because we're going to be going horizontal today. And so to start, you will take the second cord on the left and you will go behind, make a 4, and then you will pull it through and tighten. And there's half of a double half hitch, and then you will do it again to make a full double half hitch knot. And you will continue this with the remaining pairs of your string. So again, a 4 around and through the 4. Again, take the left one that is behind your filler cord, make a 4 over the filler cord, and then pull it through. And that's your basic double half hitch knot. And so I will continue to do this, and you can watch and follow along. It's a little fast, so if you would like, you can slow it down as well. But again, this is going left to right horizontally. You can make a V, you can make an X. There's all sorts of different ways you can use this knot. It's very versatile. And again, we're going left to right, so the filler cord will continue to move over as you knot around using the 4 with your remaining strands. And so we're almost at the end here. It's our second to last. Again, you make a 4, you pull it through the 4, and that is your double half hitch. We're on our last strand now. Okay, so we've gone left to right, as you can see. If you want to make 2 rows and you want to go right to left, if you're going in a different direction, you will use the same filler cord, which is now on the right as we've moved along, and it will go over the other strands like we just did in the opposite direction. So now this cord on the right will be underneath, but you will make a backwards 4 over the filler cord and go around the filler cord and pull it through, and then tighten. Again, a backwards 4, and then this will go behind the filler cord and you will pull it through the backwards 4 and then tighten. And we will continue to do this all the way through our remaining cords, and that is your basic double half hitch knot. So now we have 2 rows of double half hitch knots going both ways, and that's it. That's our double half hitch knot. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Stick around for more, and be sure to check out the link below for my Etsy shop. Subscribe!